What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Elite Suite, and today I'm bringing you a brand new weekly market guide. Today I'm going to be focusing around St. Patrick's Day, which will be coming in less than a week from when this video is uploaded, guys. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Hit that button. It's free. It's easy. It's a win-win situation. Just go ahead and hit it. And if at the end of the video this helps you out, go ahead and drop a like as well. So I just like to show off my team to start off the video. But today I will be talking about mostly St. Patrick's Day and how that's going to affect the market. But I'm also going to be talking about when to buy, when to sell, some of the other squad building challenges as well as Team of the Week guaranteed SBCs that we could see during this month. So let's go ahead and start out with when to buy players. Now, most of us, they have our squads, we have our players on the transfer list. For me, that's the squad I've currently got. I've only got 5 tradable players there, and I actually ended up picking up all of these guys for very cheap. And you can see that if you guys are following these weekly market guides, you should be making just about as much profit as I am. So I picked up my Rio Ferdinand, and I got him for 620k. So obviously he's risen quite a bit, as the cheapest card on the market, 770k now. I want to offload that card soon, because with St. Patrick's Day, followed by what is known as Foot Birthday, which could be even more promo packs than St. Patrick's Day, that just means that these cards, like Legends and anybody in the Weekend League, and pretty much all cards in general, are going to drop because there's going to be tons of promo packs. People are going to be selling their cards to buy these new green cards or to get these promo packs, or they're just simply dropping in price because of the influx of all the supply coming from the packs. So that's just a simple kind of way to put it. So all these cards that I've bought, I'm probably going to want to offload these cards coming up into this weekend, and I'd suggest you do the same. While Brema is also dropping to about 363k, I'm still in the profit range right there. And while De Gea is around 100k, and even though these cards have been a couple thousand coins higher at some points throughout the past week, it's still a good idea to sell these guys onto profit going into this weekend league rather than waiting till next week. Because what you guys need to realize is that I believe it's next Saturday, if not next Friday, is going to be St. Patrick's Day. I'm pretty sure that we're going to see at least some sort of promo 25Ks, 50Ks, and probably 100K packs throughout that weekend, and that's going to obviously come with a little bit of a market crash. Now, a market crash for St. Patrick's Day might be pushing it a little bit. We're going to see a dip in prices. Prices will go down, but will it be a crash? Not so much then, but it will be a crash following St. Patrick's Day. There's something known as Foot Birthday, as I said, which normally drops basically every single promo pack that we've seen throughout the year, and possibly some new promo pack that we haven't seen ever before. That would be a perfect time for them to drop it. It's promo packs, and they also drop some sort of challenges for the viewers to, or consumers to do, as well. As you guys saw last year, I have it on the screen right there. That was the challenge for games played. It was quite weird. We'd never seen that before, and it just kind of got people playing the game a little bit more. Will they do that this year? Probably not. With Weekend League and Foot Champions in general, we've got people playing the game quite a bit. So that's really not a problem, because they really kind of forced gameplay onto us that week because it was terrible in FIFA 16. Not to say it's not terrible in FIFA 17. It's just people want to play it more because of Weekend League. So in terms of when to buy and when to sell, I'd say for the when to sell coming this weekend, you'd sell into the Weekend League hype, and don't wait too long, because as you get closer to St. Patrick's Day, we should see a drop in prices. But when to buy, you could buy on Monday coming out of the Weekend League, because people are selling their cards, but I'd suggest waiting till next Monday, because not only will we be coming out of Weekend League next Monday, we will also be coming out of St. Patrick's Day hype, which would also bring a good time to buy cards, and especially buying the cards that are 83 and 84 rated. So looking at 83 and 84 rated, you can already see that there's been quite a rise in prices. Now, Ruffier, he's an 85 rated card, obviously, but I'm going to go ahead and take a look at him firstly. He's 4,100 coins. In terms of 84 rated, let's say an 84 rated, that's quite cheap. Gutsa, he's normally quite cheap. Guts has already risen probably to over 2,500 coins, at least close to it, and there it is, 2,500 coins. People are investing in these 84s and 83s already. Now, a lot of this is because people expected there to be an SBC for Team of the Week 25, which was retarded, and I told everybody in my stream not to do that, but there is still possibility for an 84, 83s to rise because this Team of the Week SBC, it's going to happen if Foot Birthday has a lot of promo packs, which it will. It's EA. They're gonna want money. They're gonna drop promo packs, which means that they're most likely going to drop a Team of the Week SBC on Foot Birthday, if not both Foot Birthday and St. Patrick's Day. But I can almost guarantee that there will be something for Foot Birthday. So if you guys want to invest in these 84 rated cards, which as you can see have already kind of inflated, I'd say wait. Don't buy them right now. Don't even buy them come Monday. Buy them going out of the St. Patrick's Day weekend, because I'd say taking the risk and not buying your cards into St. Patrick's Day weekend is a good risk to take, because these 83s and 84s will go into the Team of the Week SBC, and that Team of the Week SBC might not happen on St. Patrick's Day. Think about it. These Team of the Week SBCs are used to recover the cards on the market. They're there to restabilize the market, and if they're not, if they drop it on St. Patrick's Day and it restabilizes the market for a temporary time, and then they don't drop it for Foot Birthday, then obviously it's going to crash again during Foot Birthday, and those Team of the Week SBCs would have been pointless. So it's much more logical that EA would drop those Team of the Week guarantee SBCs on Foot Birthday instead of St. Patrick's Day, although there's still the chance that they do drop it for both. But that's a risk I'm going to take. If you guys are checking out this, here's the no-risk investment method. That's something I've been stressing for the past couple of weeks. It's a very good method. And the Inform method. So for all these cards that I've got on my transfer list, in terms of selling, I'm probably going to sell all of my Van Aanholts and Keitas. I invested in all of these cards during the low point on the end of the weekend league, and I was able to pick up quite a few of them. Obviously, I've got a transfer list full. But then we're going to go ahead and look at Rooney. This is St. Patrick's Day investments. Now, St. Patrick's Day is normally a day that's just a huge letdown for investors. If you make investments and you're waiting for St. Patrick's Day, normally you're going to lose coins, unless you follow the golden rule and sell into the hype. Now, I got most of those Roonies for about 6,000 to 7.5 thousand coins, and you can see that they've already risen quite a ton, as he's up to 14,000 coins right now. So he's already doubled in price, and I'm going to be taking that profit very, very soon. But I would not invest in these cards unless you're selling into the hype. And the window's already closed to get them for the cheapest amount. Being still a week until St. Patrick's Day, he could rise some more, but I'd avoid that. Some cards that you want to focus on are going to be the cards that are from the Republic of Ireland, and they're already they're gold, and they're already, pretty cheap. Right now, you can get these Republic of Ireland gold cards for right now less than 700 coins, or exactly 700 coins right now, and there's pages upon pages of them. I'd stock up on those going into this St. Patrick's Day, because I could see these cards not only rising to over 1,000 coins going into St. Patrick's Day, I could also see there being a squad building challenge that requires Republic of Ireland cards, and on top of the fact that they're not going to be in packs at the time that St. Patrick's Day is going to happen, that could also affect their prices going up. So what I'd suggest with these cards, pick up as many as you can for hopefully less than 700 coins. Just stock right up on them. It'd be a great investment. Then let's go ahead and take a look at one more thing. Player of the Month February. Now this video is going to drop on Thursday, and POTM's obviously getting very, very, very close. That's going to drop on Friday morning. So you guys only got 24 hours to watch this video by the time that it's going to be too late to really make sense of this part of the video. But it's already closed for that window to invest in these cards. You can see cards that we invested in that I told you a couple weeks ago to pick up, like the Michael Keanes that I told you guys to go buy for 10,000 coins. I was actually able to pick up about 10 of them for around 9,900 coins, exactly 9,900 coins. And Michael Keane has also dropped to about 14K, or risen to 14K. He rose to 15K and then dropped to 14K. I was able to dump my cards for 15K, but he dropped back down to 14K because there's a new call hero card named Boruk. Now, this Archer Boruk card is just now released into FIFA Ultimate Team, and you can see that there are several of him for around 12,500 coins. And here is the important part. Hear me on this part of the video, especially if you're watching this day on the day it comes out. Hopefully, you are. This Boruk card is not only a Premier League inform that is going for near discard going in to the POTM, which could very well have an inform Premier League card as a requirement. He's also from Bournemouth, and remember that Lukaku put 4 goals away against Bournemouth in February. So if Lukaku wins this and there's a February opponent's SBC that say requires 3 players from Bournemouth, 3 players from the other 2 teams that he had played against, then there's very, very high chance that they might include an inform in that team as well, and then Boruk would probably skyrocket in price because of that as well. So during the weekend league rewards and everybody's opening their packs, I'd try to snipe as many of these cards for 11,000 or less going into POTM. We're gonna go ahead and go against the golden rule because it's not really a huge risk. If you can get this card for less than 11,000 coins, then you are not risking very much. He quick sells for about 10k, so you're fine. I'd say that the risk is worth it for this card, guys. I would pick up as many as you possibly can, and the worst thing that can happen is you lose 1k per card. But if there is a POTM requirement for informs, then you are making at least 10,000 coins per card, if not way more than that, guys. So hopefully this has helped you out, guys. I know that I didn't focus on St. Patrick's Day the whole entire video, but hopefully it did help you out just a little bit. So pick up those Boruk cards, pick up those Irish gold cards, know when to sell and when to buy. If you missed that part of the video somehow, go back, watch it, it's important. And your focus this week should just really be selling those cards that you've made investments in. Do not wait too long because the window will be closing a few days before St. Patrick's Day starts. Hopefully I've helped you make some coins in this video and in the past few weeks. Be sure to subscribe for these weekly market updates along with several other videos throughout the week, including squad building challenge guides and quick tip videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out! And don't forget to like the video. I almost forgot to tell you that. Yeah, like the video. Let's go for, I don't know, 420 likes. That'd be dope.